Hey everyone, I'm going to be making chicken salad sandwiches today. I'm going to be using the bread and butter pickles. I'm also using low-fat mayonnaise, and I'm going to add some parsley flakes for a little bit of color. Now I'm going to use some artigiano bread to make some sandwiches. I'm only using a half a slice of American cheese on each sandwich because we're trying to save on calories. We had a little bit of chicken salad left over, so my boyfriend wanted to have the leftovers on the side of his plate. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching.